Good evening, Deepak sir. Today I'm discussing about NPM, why its uses, why developers prefer NPM. So, firstly, we go to our Google Chrome browser. Now we search NPM. NPM stands for Node Package Manager. In NPM, we have a various packages just like Express, all type of languages and frameworks packages is like React and it's more is like Angular, JavaScript, and much more, just like Python. All type of packages is here in npm. So why is npm is preferred more? So firstly we create our new file. We opening a new folder, not opening this, we opening, no, this is this folder. Now firstly this is our new folder, this is index.js. Now we install npm, go to our terminal. Now we install npm in 8. This command for installing npm in your system. It is installed by our system in our by its node.js documentation and node.js setup. So firstly package name. So first package name prefer not using link, just like we use node.js new. This is a package. Now version is same, description node.js tutorial, enter point is same, test command is same, enter, git repository enter, keywords enter, author. After entering this license, enter. After entering this, it create a package.json file is here. After entering this is our package.json file which we use npm run test. We're using this debug test. There is no error, not specified. Now there is huge huge advantage of npm. Firstly, we use to our installing various features like Express. So not we are not installing Express, we are installing a development tool, a development environment, Nodemon. What is Nodemon? Nodemon is the software is tool that help to develop Node.js based application by automatically starting the Node.js application when file is detected, which means when we creating our file. This is our normal file. We construct it. Firstly, we create a server, personal server. In this const fs equals to require fs, enter, const http enter. Now fs dot http dot create server. We're using request response cross function. We enter here. It responds a message. What type of message? No. This message is sent from server. Now, after this, we create our. After this, firstly we convert it in a host server. Now this is a. It is it is entered in access by server. Its variable name is server. Now server dot listen port. Actually, we use port 8000. With type of host localhost 127.0.1. After this, cross function. Sorry, arrow function. Cross function. Arrow function. Enter. Console.log. Started control S. Now, firstly clear the screen. Now we firstly use node index.js. Server is started. Now go to our what is this port? This port. Okay. 127.0.0.1 is to 8000. This may be sent from server. Yeah. After that, if we change any message, change this method message. This message is sent by Great Pharma. We use control S, then we again restart server. Now we go to our server, it will show. This is a huge time taken process. So we convert it into, so if we use any tools which reduce our execution time, so we use install Node.js. It's installing. Yes, we install our node.mod. What is it? This is the package.log.json of node.mod. And what is node.mod? Why prefer this? So we use node.mod index.js. Is right? Yes, our server is started. Okay, this is same. If we see, node.mod automatically automatically restarting our server. We don't have used to again convert it into, we again execute this program because of node.mod already and automatically start this server. So why we use node.mod? Because of this. Now firstly, what is node.mod? What is node.mod? Okay, now go to our browser. Now search what is node.mod. Node.mod npm. What is node? Node.mod is a tool that helps develop Node.js based applications by automatically starting the Node application when file changes are directed. Which means if we installing this node.mod, when we are installing many dependency, in which means if control C, please stop this program execution. Here the periodization, here we are on this, but after we always use dev dependency, which is here. Control Z, we go to why is showing not completing dev dependency. Yep, on this. Firstly, comma is right. Now hit enter. We install node. We enter this node dependency into dev dependency. Okay. Now some developer have a query about it. We working on a different project. We are installing node again and again. No. If we install node permanently, we go to a node. Sorry. We go to npm install node minus global. After this, node is installing globally, which means all the projects are running in node mode without installing node mode repeatedly. Now, this is enough for node mode. Now we go to our npm because npm is most important. npm is used for installing different type of packages or third-party packages which are used in your project. Here, if you go to our Express, 17 lakhs 86,909 developers or students who use Express and download weekly. This is our Express basic first server. How to install Express? Installing on using this command. So there are different types of third-party packages. So firstly we go to npm. If we again type in install, instead of we use npm I stands for install, npm I, which package we use? Express. Now hit enter. Now we see that npm install Express repeat easily. This is our Express dependency. Now if we go to our node, this is a created folder created by nodemon. This is our different types of packages which we use in this. So go to our, firstly verify this is the latest version or not. First unopened menu web framework, this version is 14.17.1. This, yes, is it correct? Okay. How to check what we do? How to check any package is outdated or need update. Okay, we are describing this, so we go to our terminal now. npm outdated, hit enter. There are not any type of package need update. So console is this npm outdated command. Okay, okay. Now if we want to uninstall this express the express package, we don't want this express package on our this project. So normally, okay, we stay in this. Now to install the install any package from our project. Its answer is we use npm instead of uninstall. We using un and enter express. Now hit enter. It's uninstalling the express from our project project. So see, express is uninstalled. If we install again a new packages like Node.js, so sorry, npm I Slugify. Okay, we see Slugify is installed. Or, yeah, it's installed. It is shown goes to dependency folder. Is it's installed? No. If any type of update we require. Okay, sorry. Correct. Firstly, we install npm install we mentioned Slugify at the rate. What is version 1.6.2? We installing this version. Below this version, we installing this version. And see, we install 1.6.2. Okay. Now we check any npm outdated. If any type of update, yeah, see, Slugify 1.6.2 is your current we are using, and 1.6.3 is used our latest module. We go to a package.log gcc. Slugify. This is Slugify version. It is used 1.6.2, but we are using Slugify is the here. Okay. Now we go to our again server npm get Slugify. Now hit enter. Oops, something went wrong with the not installing. No, it's okay. We uninstall Slugify and install its latest version. We will slugify. Okay. We are installing. I'm installing this, and then we install. Now hit enter. Now we are seeing this. Okay. So these are npm basic commands for using in your project or express server and which more. What is the explain? We are going to its documentation, and we are using packaging modules. These are huge type of packages which are we using in this. Okay, we are not going to this. So same any problem. We're going to our normal npm page. Okay. Now, if any I'm showing some extensions like which I have installed. This feature code. This feature code formatter used for formatting our code in a systematic or in a colorful way by which any other developer using our code it it can't be confused. So we use this. Now there are huge type of different types of feature codes like a tab9, which are code for faster or a language, which is used for completing the code faster, completing the syntax faster. Now this is a bracket pair colorizer, which means we are showing. I'm showing you this. This. These are same bracket, but it close in different color. Showing this. These are a small bracket which are different from curly braces, and it's a small bracket different from the small bracket. So they are. It is used for reducing your error searching time, by which we are increasing code execution time. So these are npm. Now can we check already? Okay, we are already explained on this. We are installing npm and okay, we are exploring all of this npm, why it's uses. This is a package or JSON file. This is a name, version, description, main, index. So this is a whole type of dependency. If we are creating, if we are downloading Slugify, much more packages, third-party packages from npm. So we are using npm install. Instead of install, we using I. Now we using which type of package we are installing in our project directory. We are installing again Express. Now enter. It install Express from Node.js and npm server. Now we are installing Express. So if we are uninstalling this npm, okay. So these are some basic tools of which we use dependency for which we are using third-party applications and third-party packages. So these are some basics of npm and nodemon. We are further explaining on this in future lecture. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.